So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of July till the 2nd of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the Nine of Wands. This is somebody who feels like they're a wounded warrior and they are kind of giving up on the situation. They are trying to create barriers around them, but at the same time, they are not giving up fully. They feel like they should fight for themselves. They should stand up for themselves. Okay, what happened? Let's clarify the Nine of Wands as their feelings for you or for the situation, Aquarius. तेरे बिना लगदा ना दिल पतलो. We have the Knight of Cups and the Five of Swords and the King of Pentacles. This person is feeling like they should come forward towards you with some kind of peace offering, with some kind of genuine expression of their feelings, maybe some kind of apology. But they're stressed out beyond words that you might be dealing with some other person or some other energy and you might not be interested in them anymore, first thing. Second thing, they feel like you think like they're a fool or something and you and them don't have any kind of match. They somehow feel like you are out of their league because they are right now in the night energy, which is immature and not that much grounded, and they feel like you are in the king energy that's very mature, very grounded, very sorted, and hmm, good to go kind of energy. I got stuck, sorry. Right. So they feel like this is an energetic mismatch. Although they feel hurt and wounded by whatever happened, they feel like coming towards it with some kind of peaceful solution. But they're stressed out beyond words because they feel like it might not work out. Because of, again, either you are dealing with some other person that's more important, that's more sorted, and they feel like you and them have a strong mismatch because they are not that much mature or grounded as you are. So they feel like you are out of their league. Somehow, energetically, they feel like you're out of their league. Still, they feel like not giving up completely. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? We have the Star here. You feel like remaining very optimistic, positive, and remaining in your own zone. This is your card only. You guys feel like remaining in a positive mindset, optimistic, healed, and working on your own self. And whatever is happening is happening. You can't change it. You can't do anything about it. You are not bothered that much about something or someone, or at least you're trying to not to get bothered. Let's clarify the Star as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Emperor and the Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. Yes, you're feeling like you should take the charge of your life in your own hands, and you should not allow anyone or anything to control your emotions, your thoughts, and your energies. You feel like having a brand new beginning, having this coming together, coming back together kind of energy with somebody with whom you feel a strong sense of bonding, strong sense of connection with right now. Also, for some of you, you might be still in love with the past person, past energy. You feel like having reconciliation with them, but you feel like you should not allow anybody to rule over you, whether it's a past person or a new person or new energy, doesn't matter. Okay, so you feel like having a brand new beginning with somebody from your past, maybe, and or you feel like you should have somebody exactly like a person that you dealt with in the past because they made you feel in a certain way. But at the same time, you feel like not losing yourself, whether it's a new person or past person, doesn't matter. Okay, now this is your healed version talking. Your healed energy is talking in a very beautiful and positive way, and you guys are actually enjoying it a lot. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? We have the Knight of Cups. This person wants to come forward towards you with some kind of offer or apology. Okay, They have something going on in their head, in their heart actually, regarding this situation, and they want to express it to you in a positive way, as positive as they can. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups as their intentions for this particular situation between you and them, Aquarius. We have the Devil, the Chariot, the Three of Pentacles. I hate these kind of energies where third parties, toxicity, negativities are there. So they want to come towards you with this offer of, okay, they have changed. They're no longer the same toxic person, unhealthy energy that they used to be. They have changed and they want to make sure that they are going to keep up with your energies. They are going to make this collaboration partnership coming together, coming back together, a really positive deal between you and them. They are going to do whatever it takes to make this situation move forward in a very, very positive way. If they were putting you into some kind of options, or if they were addicted to any party kind of energies, now the third party can be romantic third parties, casual sex, or hookup culture, or they were having toxicity, negativity, unhealthy kind of patterns that they were not looking into, addictions of some kind. So they are ready to work on that so that they can be with you in a positive way. So basically this person wants to give it a last shot with all of their heart and soul, and they want to make sure that their message is loud and clear towards you, that they have changed and they are ready to make the situation work out between you and them. But they want equal interest and investment from both sides, from your side too. Then only things are going to move forward. That's common sense, right? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side. And mind you, if they are dealing with somebody else also, still they want to be with you. Still they want to make it look like they are ready to take the situation forward with you, and slowly but surely they will be able to get rid of the third person or third energy out of that. Do not, I repeat, do not engage yourself in that kind of situations. Don't do that. It's going to be a shit show. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius. Eight of Cups. You just want to emotionally detach. You just want to remain in this energy of, okay, if something is happening, you might deal with it, but you don't want to get involved in this situation from your side. You're like, okay, I just want to detach emotionally and keep on walking away towards something better, someone better. So you just don't want to put your life on hold for something or someone at all. New or past doesn't matter. That's a really good energy. Your healed version is talking to me today. I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Congrats. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups as your intentions for this particular person or situation. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Moon card. Yes, you're done with this on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together kind of energy. People playing with your emotions, people keeping you as an option, or people, trying to manipulate you, trying to lie to you, cheat on you, or do something behind your back, and it keeps on repeating itself again and again and again. Might be this person have done so many damaging things to you, to this situation, that you're no longer interested in connecting or reconnecting with them anymore. So that's why you just want to keep yourself emotionally detached from the situation, and you are like, okay, if something is going to happen, I might entertain that energy, but I'm not going to get involved too much. I'm not going to ruin my life for something or someone. That's for sure. That's what you're telling me. That's good. That's good. I'm so proud of you. Fucking proud of you. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the, what we have, honey, 2nd of August, Aquarius. We have the Three of Cups. It's like a collaboration partnership coming together, coming back together. But for most of you, it's like you guys coming out of your comfort zone and connecting with the new people, maybe group of friends, maybe like-minded people. You guys are going to get out of your comfort zone and start living your life to the fullest. Let's clarify the Three of Cups as a potential outcome. What's wrong with my throat now? We have the Hanged Man, the Six of Pentacles in reverse, and the Hierophant. Somebody is going to come out and maybe connect with you, but that is going to be highly imbalanced kind of a situation. The balance is not going to be restored, and that is going to give you another reason, or push you to the edge of, I don't give a fuck anymore. I don't want to deal with this situation anymore. I was keeping the door a little bit open so that I can maybe deal with this situation, but the way somebody is going to enter in your space, and they are going to behave, and they are going to try to handle the situation, is going to make you feel like, I don't give a shit anymore. And I do see you connecting or reconnecting with your soul family members, maybe literal family members. Maybe some of you are going to connect with the father figure, a healer. Maybe you are attending a religious or spiritual ceremony or retreat or something. But whatever it is going to make you feel like you are coming home. You're going home to something or someone that actually feels like home, safe, secure, and spiritually aligned. And my nose is itching like crazy. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this month, for this week, for the situation, Aquarius. We have the Three of Wands and the Strength card and the Ace of Wands. Yes, wait and watch. Okay, don't move, don't take any kind of action. Hold back your horses, calm down your horses. Don't make any kind of choices, or don't take any kind of actions in impulsive energies, restlessness kind of energies, or out of passion, out of anger, out of frustration, or out of, oh my god, I should try something that I have never tried before, and then regret it later on. Yeah, don't do anything in any kind of passionate, just for fun, just for quick fix, or some like in peer pressure, or something that your intuition is telling you not to do. Just don't do that. If your gut is telling you to stop and wait and watch and give yourself time, do that. If your gut is telling you to not to go to certain people, situations, or not to operate from certain kind of energies, do that. Don't go against your intuition, Aquarius. It might backfire. It might make you feel very, very uncomfortable and difficult to deal with kind of energies in the coming future if you're not going to take care of it right now. Yeah. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds. You can pause and unpause whenever you want to. If you are not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is no need to worry. Okay, what are you worrying about, honey? Often there are situations that we fret and worry about even when they are out of our control. These situations can keep us up at night. The no need to worry card lets you know that even if things seem dark, a resolution and an easing will come. Worry will not improve anything, and dawn is just around the corner. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.